everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And this Prominence Home Marshall ceiling fan was such a unique addition to our home office. I love the industrial look that it gives, and it was one that both my husband and I could actually agree on. It has a neutral look to it, but it has such interesting features. The open ironwork around the light bulbs is just so unique and pretty. It has reversible blades, so you can choose the color you want on the paddle to show. It has options for mounting. You can do a close mount like we did, or you can choose the downrod or angle, depending on what you need for the room. It's nice and quiet, and the bulbs look so cool when the light is on, and they actually came with the unit as well. The poles are so easy to use. There's one that's labeled fan and one that's labeled a light bulb. This Prominence Home Marshall ceiling fan is just such great quality. It has a nice quiet motor, and it adds just the right touch to our home office. And that's my point of view.